Hello guys, in today's lecture we will discuss the topic name is literal. First we need to understand what is a literal. So I want to open my paintbrush. In paintbrush you will understand better as compared to the edit plus. So if I write here int x equal to 10, correct, height 36 or maybe 80 or 72. Okay, I will write here definition, then you understand better. Literal means any value, any constant value that assign to the variable. It is called literal. Then in this declaration, tell me guys, which one is a literal? This is a literal. This is a literal. This is a value that assigned to the variable. This is a variable name. Can I say 10 is a literal or constant value? This is called variable. Variable is like a container. So variable, or we can say identifier. We already studied in identifier classes. Identifier means the name of a variable, name of a class, name of a method, or any name in a Java. It is called as an identifier, correct? This is a data type. You already seen. Okay, sorry. This is a data type or keyword. Data type keyword. Keyword means reserved words. We have already seen. I hope you understand why we covered the identifiers, data types or keywords for better understanding. This is a literal means constant value, x variable or identifier. If you are not able to see this, I will share in a description box this diagram. Int x equal to 10. This is a variable. This is a data type. This is a 10 and this is a assignment operator. These constant value are assigning to the x variable. I am assigning to the x variable. The value of x is 10, correct? Can I say this is a literal, and this literal we can represent in a 3 ways. First one is a decimal literal, second one is a octal literal, third one is a hexadecimal. We can represent this literal in the form of 3 ways. Integral literal. In Java, integral literal we can represent in 3 ways or in following ways. First one is decimal literal. The allowed values in decimal literal the allowed values 0 to 9. Correct. Second one is a octal literal. Or octal representation. Octal literal. In octal literal, the allowed values 0 to 7. Third one is a hexadecimal form, the decimal literal. In hexadecimal, allowed values are 0 to F, 0 to 9 and A to F. Zero to 9 you understand, but what is A to F? Correct. So in hexadecimal we write like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 for 10 A B C D E F. Here for example so 10 11 12 13 14 15. 0 to 15 and 10 represent with the alphabets A B C D E F. 11 represent B, 12 represents with C, 13 represents with D, 14 represents with E, 15 represents with F. So 0 1 2. So it's a 10. Okay, 10 means A, 0 to 9 means 10 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 means in hexadecimal the base value is a 16. Correct. 0 to 15 means 16 total value, 0 also countable. In decimal literal 10, 0 to 9 means 10. In octal 0 to 7 means 8. Correct. We will see one by one example also. Decimal representation, decimal form. Okay, simple. I will write some example here. Test. This is our previous example. I will simply comment this. int x equal to 10 system dot out dot println x command prompt, simply command prompt zoom java c test1 dot java test1, sorry, the class name is a test, not test1, java c test dot java test. Two minutes guys, I will comment all this above, or I will simply create a one new example. Java, I will give name test2, public class int x equal to 10 system dot out dot println x test2 dot java, correct, control s, java c test2 dot java test2. You got 10 output. It is a correct example for the decimal. It's a decimal form. If I want to represent the allowed digits 0 to 9, correct. Second one, you try with yourself various examples. We will not spend too much time on these silly topics. In upcoming classes, we will spend more time on each topics in very detail. 2. Octal representation, octal form. The allowed digits are 0 to 7. If we want to represent octal literal, then add prefix with 0. Like example, int x equal to 0, 10. You will get 8 output. So you will see practically. In test2 class, int x equal to 0, 10. This also I will comment. System dot out dot println x I will compile this code. Java C test1 test2 dot java test2 8. We will get 8 output, correct. This is our octal form. Tell me guys, it is a, I will write here another one example. int x equal to 0 to represent the octal value 778. It is correct or not? System.out.println x java c test2 dot java, you will get 8. We can't write a 8 here. The allowed digits only 0 to 7. In this case, you will get error semicolon expected. I will write one more example. Int num equal to 0 345 system.out.println. Is it allowed? Java C test2 dot java. I will comment this previous example only. CLS java C test2 dot java test2. You will get 229 output for this. Output 229. I will write one more example. Int number equal to 3 4 6 0 9. System.out.println number java c test2.java. You will get again output 9 is not allowed. Control C, error colon semicolon expected. This is a error. In case of if I will provide the maximum value, that is not allowed in a octal form. Correct. You will see the next form, hexadecimal. This is our notes file. If you want, okay, I will copy this code, will paste here the example. Okay, next one, hexadecimal. Allowed digits 0 to 9 and 8 to F. Correct. The extra here, the extra alphabets from 10 to 15, like 10 to 15 means A to F we can write in uppercase and lowercase also. If Java is a case sensitive language, then why we can write here uppercase or lowercase also? That is my question. But remember guys, in very few areas Java is not a case sensitive language. This is a one area from that areas. Correct. If you want to represent hexadecimal values, then add prefix 0x. Can I write 0 capital X? We will see in an example. Java is case sensitive language, but in very few areas Java is not case sensitive. This is one area from that areas. Correct. We will see examples. Test 2 int num equal to 0x123 system.out.println num cls java c test2.java compile successfully java test2. Class not found exception. Okay, 2 minutes. Test2. I think I did mistake. Check. Okay. We'll open this command prompt. Java C test2.java test2. Yes, correct. We'll get 291 output. 291. Int number equal to 0x10 system.out.println number cls java c. Which output we will get? test2.java system. Okay. Cls java c test2.java test2 16. We will get 16 output. This is a base value for hexadecimal form. Int y equal to 0x tell me guys, it is a valid? No doubt. out dot println y control s java c test2 dot java compile successfully test2. Yes, it is a value. This is a value we get from this hexadecimal form. Int r equal to 0 capital X if system dot out dot println r control s java c test2 dot java test2, we will get 48. From this example, conclusion is we can represent the capital X or small x also. We will see another one example. Int u equal to 0x here system dot out dot println u cls java c test2 dot java compile compile time error. R is not allowed character only A, B, C, D, E, F, but I am writing here R, that's why we will get compile time error. Expected control C. In this case we will get semicolon expected error. I hope you understand hexadecimal form also. So we will go in next topic, Boolean literal. It's hexadecimal. Okay, 2 minutes. I will copy this example. Control C. Paste here. This is for hexadecimal. Okay. We will see some more examples, guys, in long data type terminology. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. Can I write here long num equal to 10 system dot out dot println control s java c test2 dot java test2 10. We will get 10 output, correct? It is a integer or long? That is my question. If I write here integer, correct? CLS java c test2 dot java Java test 2, we'll get a 10 only. Then how we can understand it is a integer or long? That's why Java people given us some postfix to represent the long values. We can represent the long values with a capital L or a small l also. If I write here capital L, this is a consider as a long value. Correct. CLS Java C test2 dot Java. Yes, we will get incompatible types, possibly lossy conversion from long to int. Then it is a consider as a long value, and we can't convert long to int. We can convert integer to long, but we can't convert the long value to the integer. We need a typecasting. We will upcoming classes we will see what is a typecasting, what is the need of a typecasting, and why we use a typecasting. After that, in next classes, we will see wrapper classes concept, and there's autoboxing, unboxing, everything we will conclude, guys. So just tune with this channel. Then can I write here Control C, Control V, num1 45 small l, num1, Control S, CLS Java C test2 dot Java, possibly lossy conversion. Again we will get output, or we will get output error. Correct, because I written here int and I am trying to converting that long value directly into the integer, and it is not possible. Why? Integer size is a 4 byte and long data type size is a 8 byte data type, 8 byte. And how we can put 8 byte into the 4 byte? It is not possible in a real world also. If larger object is I have larger object, then how I can put larger object as compared to this in minimum object? No, it is not possible. That's why we will get compile time error. In two cases, this error. Control C. Long num3 equal to 45 l system dot out dot println num3. Tell me guys, it is a valid or not? Is it valid? Control S, CLS Java C test2 dot Java, Java test2. Yes, we will get 45 output. Correct. Control S, Control C. I will paste here. In next class, we will see the remaining literals, Boolean literal, how we can represent the Boolean literal, why 0 or 1 is not allowed in a Java, or in floating point we can represent this form, hexadecimal form, octal form, or decimal form or not. This all we will see in a next upcoming class. So stay tuned with this channel. If you like this tutorial, then subscribe and share with your friends also. So thank you guys watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.